Okay, so we're still simplifying. However, this time, if you noticed, there is not any sign in between my parentheses, which tells us that we are going to be multiplying. So here when we're multiplying, we are going to be doing a 2 by 2. So let's go ahead and draw our box. So we're going to write 3x plus 4 on one side, and then 5x minus 1 on the other side. So let's go ahead and multiply. 3 times 5 gives me 15. And then I'm going to add my exponents. So x1 plus an x1 gives me an x2. All right, let's do the next box. 5 times 4 is 20. There's no x's on the 4, but there is an x to the first on the 5, so I'm going to say x to the first. All right, let's go ahead and multiply. What's negative 1 times 3? So that's negative 3. There's not an x on the negative 1, but there is an x to the first on the 3, so let's bring it over. And then we have negative 1 times 4, which is negative 4. So now once we have everything in the box, we're going to go to the adding part. Well, I can't add anything with this x squared, so I'm going to go ahead and bring it down. I can, however, add this 20 with the negative 3 because they're both have an x on it. So 20 plus negative 3 is a positive 17, x to the first power, or just x. And then there's nothing to add with this negative 4, so I'm just going to bring it down. That's going to be my final answer. Okay, let's go ahead and try some of these on your own. Go ahead and try number 1. Okay, go ahead and try number 2. And go ahead and try number 3.